IARP has been a foundation for me. When I came out of graduate school and finished my internship, the relationships of those that were supervising me were already IARP members. And from there, by them bringing me into the fold, it allowed me to continue to have the support, the resources, and opportunities to point me in the right direction. So it gave me more like not only a peer group, but an organization that helped me develop from beginning to where I am today, almost 30 years later. Would you like to be around something exciting, something that is striving to go further in the field of rehabilitation and to be on the cutting edge, not only in technology but in education, and the bottom line, to be able to help that injured person have some type of quality of life is what I would look at when I'm trying to help somebody. And I think IARP is a great place to start.